Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Today I will teach you one new concept, up and down. Up and down. Say up and say down. Up means upar, down means niche. Up and down. Now children, look up. What do you see in the sky? The sun is up in the sky. And where is the tree? The tree is down in the garden. The sun is up and the tree is down. Look at this cute bird. The bird is up in the sky. See, birds are flying up in the sky. Now children, look down. What do you see? Correct. The grass is down in the garden. Look at this little monkey. Little monkey is climbing up the wall. See what he is doing. Monkey is coming down from a tree. Now children, tell me, which season is going on? Yes, you are correct. Rainy season. It's raining. Raindrops are falling down. See colorful balloons. Balloons are flying high up in the sky. These are balls. Balls are coming down. Children, where is an aeroplane flying? It's flying up in the air, up in the sky. And where is the bus? Correct. Down on the road. The bus is down on the road. Wow, what is this? These are colorful marbles. They are up. Shall we watch them going down? Yay! Look at the beautiful marbles going down one by one. Down and down. This is lift. Lift is going up. Now lift is coming down. Look at this little boy. Little boy is climbing up the stairs. Wow, very good. See, where are they going? Kids are coming down. Children, do you remember? We have learnt park. Let's play and learn up and down in the park. The boy is climbing up the ladder. Now he is coming down. Children are playing. See, saw, up and down, one foot up and the other foot down. Activity time. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Now children, we will do one more activity of up and down with our body parts. Let's start.
Head up, head down, head up, head down, up and down, head up, head down, hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down, up and down, hands up, hands down, foot down, foot up, foot down, up and down, foot up, foot down.
Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down. Children, do this activity at your home. Bye. Thank you.
Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn our new stroke. It is in a form of cursive M. Always we should start from the second blue line. Take a slanting and touch the first blue line. Take a downward 2 curves. See, we should take a 2 curves, downward curves, and touch the second blue line again. Take a little curve and move towards the first blue line. See, slanting. One more slanting towards down. 2 downward curves. And take a curve towards first blue line. Let's practice it in a notebook, children. While writing, don't raise your hands. See, slanting, 2 downward curves and again slanting. Slanting, 2 downward curves, again slanting. See, slanting, 2 downward curves, again slanting. I hope you understood, children. Let's move on to cursive N stroke. See, it's very easy. Slanting and 1 downward curve. Again, touch the second blue line, take a little curve and move towards first blue line. Understand? It's very easy. Slanting, downward curve and take a little curve and move towards first blue line. Let's practice it in a notebook, children. Don't raise your hand while writing. Understand? Slanting, downward curve, slanting. Slanting, downward curve, slanting. Slanting, downward curve, slanting. Understand? It's very easy. Now let's move on to cursive P stroke. Children, this is very difficult, children. See, this is first we have to write in the form of J. Already we practiced how to write J. Understand? It is in the same form. So let's practice it, children. See, children, can you observe? See, we should start from the second blue line. We should write in the form of J. And see, here we should take a O curve. And again we should touch the second blue line. And we should move towards the first blue line. Understand, children? Let's practice it once again, children. See, here we have black lines. In book we have red line, 2 blue lines and the red line. We should start from the second blue line. Keep in mind, we should start from the second blue line, touch the first blue line and come back again, take a slanting and touch the bottom red line. Take a big loop and touch the first blue line. First blue line, take a curve towards left and touch the line, second blue line, and move towards the first blue line. Understand, children? I will explain you once again. See, children, in book you have red line, two blue lines and one more red line. We should start from the second blue line, children. Keep in mind, we should start from the second blue line. Keep the pencil on the second blue line and take a slanting and touch the first blue line. Take a slanting line towards the bottom red line. Keep in mind, bottom red line. Touch the bottom red line. Take a big loop. And again, you should touch the first blue line. Keep in mind, first blue line. Take a curve towards left. Touch the second blue line. And again, move towards the first blue line. Children, let's practice once again, children. See, it's difficult, no? Let's practice it once again. Okay, start from the second blue line, touch the first blue line and write in a form of J. So again take a curve towards left and come back again towards the first blue line. See, while writing in a notebook, don't raise your hand and write in this way only, children. Understand? See, slanting. Now touch the bottom red line, take a big loop and take a leftward curve. So you should not do like this, children. See, you should write in a, you should not do like this slanting, understand? So when you touch the second blue line, you should take a curve, children, understand? So you should take a curve and you should come back towards the first blue line. See, touch the red line, take a big loop, go towards the first blue line, take a curve and again move towards the first blue line. I hope you understood, children. It's very easy, no? See, slanting, touch the red line, take a big loop, take a leftward curve and move towards the first blue line. Let's practice it once again, children. See. It's very easy, children. If you practice, it will be easy. Slanting, write in the form of J, and leftward curve again move towards the first blue line. Slanting, write in the form of J, leftward curve and touch to the first blue line. See, while writing in a notebook, keep on writing continuously. Understand? Homework is write M, N, P cursive strokes 5 lines each. Understand? You should write 5 lines without lifting your hand. Understand, children? So, for oral homework, you have to send a video of up-down concept with 5 examples. Thank you. Have a nice day.